Hello everyone, my name is Nate Lex and welcome back to X-Dex. Today I'm going to be teaching you a small fidget move that I made up myself called Cash Drop. And Cash Drop looks a little something like this. This was inspired by a move by Oliver Sogard called ATM, and it looks like this, but he does it with an individual single card. And I'll pull up a video here so you guys can see what that looks like. Mine is dropping a little bit more of the packet at a time, a couple cards at a time, and that's why I called it Cash Drop, to go along with the idea of ATM. But this is one of my own special moves, and if you guys stay tuned till next week, I'm putting Dynamite, not my move, Springboard, which is my move, and Cash Drop all together in a combo called Mortar Shell. So get ready for that and get excited for next week. Also, I'm going to be hosting a cardistry workshop today at a local game store, so wish me luck. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and let's jump into it. Alright guys, so to start Cash Drop, it looks a little something like this if you didn't see the intro. And this move was inspired by Oliver Sogard's ATM, which I can't do, so I had to come up with my own. And so any prerequisites to this would just be the packet drop. So if you check this annotation right up here, you can check out our tutorial for packet drop, which just looks like this, but with one packet. So it looks like it's like that. Yeah, this should be a short tutorial today, so let's jump into it. So if you already know how to do packet drop, then you know to do a swing cut, or it really doesn't matter what you do before this position, as long as you end up in this position with your middle finger at the top left or top right, depending on your hand position, thumb at the opposite corner of that. And so if you were holding it, if your hand was held like this, the cards should actually be horizontal like that. But when you're done doing swing cuts, it's actually more like your hand being turned this way, and then the cards being turned vertical. So like that. Excuse me. So what happens is you rotate it around with your index finger like so. Middle and thumb go to their positions. Index grabs this alongside and pulls it over and then curls in, so it's applying pressure after this is upside down. Your ring finger goes right here on this ledge. Right here, this is kind of packet drop, and then essentially you push over. Now with Cash Drop, all you do is you try to split right here with your thumb. So practice riffling through that with your thumb. And what's going to happen is you try to let one go at a time. And so it's like you're doing packet drop a couple of times. It's actually fairly easy. So you're just splitting the packet, and sometimes you can even get one to go over at a time. And sometimes they fall a little bit slower. So the tips on doing this would just be to, you can split half the pack. Sometimes I'll do that and just do two. And then as you get better, you can try to literally go one at a time. The more cards that are in your hand, the harder it is to split one. But that, and then if you go faster, you can get them all to flop over. The reason why I'm teaching you guys this, is because it will go into a combo later where I go swing, swing, rev cut, cash drop. I'll finish by doing this over my arm. This will land the opposite way of the deck. We'll do dynamite, and then this will land face down or face up. I just wanted to show this deck off in face up position because it looks cooler this way. And this is the intent of the design, was for it to be wavy like this. And so it looks like this on the backs. But guys, that is literally the tutorial for Cash Drop. If you guys have already seen Packet Drop, it's super easy. We'll go over it one more time just in case on this side. So you get into Packet Drop position, you literally start to split cards off with your thumb at the thumb point, and they will just fall over like a regular packet drop. So if you guys have figured out how to do packet drop, you pretty much already know how to do cash drop, but I wanted to teach it to you because it's going to be necessary, for the combo that we're going to learn next week called Mortar Shell. So thank you guys so much for learning cash drop. I know this was a super easy one today. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments or message me in the Discord, and yeah, we'd love to help you. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I'll see you in the outro. Hello everyone, thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial for Cash Drop. I hope you enjoyed it. It was probably a pretty short tutorial today, and if you already know how to do Packet Drop, then this was probably pretty easy. Anyway, keep practicing this and get ready for next week where I'm going to combine a whole bunch of things together into a combo because you guys have been requesting that a lot, and I am very excited to teach you. Also, if you guys noticed anything different about the set today and the lighting and everything, let me know because I'm adjusting some things and working and playing with some ideas. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump into some housekeeping. So guys, if you do not already know, my name is Nate Lex and I work for X-Dex. That is x-dex.com. You guys can check out our website. We resell rare decks of cards. And if you check out the deck I used in my video, you can actually find it, I believe, only on our website now. It is by my friend Nathan, who is actually from the Indiana area, and you guys can buy his wavy deck from us. So that'd be awesome. Also, you can follow us on Instagram at X Dex rare cards. Oh man, I almost messed that up. And you can follow our Discord and join our Discord, there's a link in the description for that. So follow us there, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, which means we're really close to being able to monetize, which means that we're able to up the production quality of these videos, and we can't wait to do so. Also, in the coming weeks, we've got a lot of material that's been filmed or shot, and I haven't edited yet, so get ready for a deck review, or a top 5 cardistry decks of mine that a video is going to come out later, that was shot by my friend Tyler, and we're also working and brainstorming on how to shoot your cardistry, because you've also recommended that as well and asked for that. So guys, thank you so much for watching the tutorial today. I hope this one was short and sweet. I will see you guys next week, and wish me luck on the thing I'm teaching at tonight. Anyway, bye guys.